quite blustery. Ballydorn boat, which is permanently moored here. There's actually a bar on board it, and the bar actually is at a slant, so from the rear of the boat to the front of the boat it slopes up. It's quite nice down here with a view over Strangford, which was called Strangford after the Vikings. Strangford means strong fjord. The LV Petrol, home of Down Cruising Club. So there's a history of Down Cruising Club, the history of the LV Petrol. Commissioned in 1913. And the work was carried out by a Dublin dockyard company. The vessel was launched in June 1915. Down Cruising Club started in 1968. And this is the little green beach hut. With a view over Strangford Loch. And if you want to make inquiries about staying in the beach hut, there is the contact details. It's a path down to Strangford. Here we can see Strangford, very strong current out there. A number of years ago, a famous TT aficionado, Ron Grant, tried to leave Sketrick on a boat to go over to the North Down coast, but was unfortunately drowned along with 2 or 3 other colleagues. So very, very strong tide there. It doesn't look too bad today, but when the current is going in and out, it is deadly. Walking along this path here just takes you to a viewing point. There are well over 300 islands in Strangford Loch, and we're about to go up to a viewing point now. All the islands Strangford Lough, you can see where the Ice Age has undermined the island millions of years ago. Out there today, not surprised it's raining quite heavily. And continue up this path. Quite slippy, but we'll get there in the end. Go along this path here to the headland of Sketrick Island. As you can see, it's very overcast today. That's just the way it is. And a great view over Strangford Lough. There are well over, somewhere in the region of, I think I mentioned before, 300 islands in Strangford Lough. Sketrick, and possibly see a and read yourself. But overall, not a bad day. Better than sitting in the house anyway, isn't it? We'll probably be sitting down watching this. Back down this path to Sketrick and Strangford Lough. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later on. Bye bye. This is Colin.